Hey guys, Gardening with Dave here with Cindy, and today we're going to be looking for some potatoes in here. Cindy and I are going to have a little snack later on, but for now, I've already trimmed the top of the potatoes earlier this week. The reason being is I wanted to make room for the next season. So today we're just going to kind of dig in here and see if you guys want to get a little closer. Look at this, guys. If you haven't seen how potatoes are grown, the rooting system, it actually develops smaller potatoes in the bottom. Depending on the size, you can have higher growth. For now, we're just going to pull them because we're making room for the season. I think going forward, I don't plan on growing potatoes in this bed as I'm trying to do a no-till, no-dig method very soon. All right, so we have no sense of organization. The plan is honestly just to pull as much as I can. Now, normally you wouldn't want to pull these potatoes yet. You want to kind of let them hang out a little bit longer, but wow. Look at this one, guys. These down here are not really as developed as at the moment, so definitely you may not want to eat these smaller ones. I'll just place them in the side. We got another nice big one. I don't know how many potatoes we're gonna find today, so the plan is honestly just to dig and see what happens. Ooh, that feels really wet in there. What is that? Sweet potato.
The seed potato.
Seed potato. What's the seed potato?
The seed potato is the seed that you actually plant in the ground that then grows the rest of the potatoes around it. So once you've had it in the ground for a while, it gets really mushy.
Ooh, let's stay away from that one. And here's a few more. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if next season we end up seeing more potatoes in here. Oh, look at this, guys. Now, we found the original seed potato here. My wife mentioned to me that the potato will get mushy. It's the original one that was used, and now it's no longer viable, but it will decompose. So believe it or not, yes, it looks ugly. It might look a little scary, but this is just gonna be food for the soil. Remember, guys, we wanna feed the soil, not the plants. The plants will find food on their own. This is all rich compost, as you can see here. I've just been layering it every couple inches per year, and it's going to be feeding the soil again. It's just like a little scavenger hunt. Maybe this is a great video for Easter. Next time, let's toss some eggs in here. Now, this soil is so soft, guys. As you can see in here, we have a lot of living organisms in here. We want to make sure that the oil is continuously finding food on its own. We're going to try to shy away from using artificial fertilizers. Now, I know a few of you may ask, are you afraid of what you might find in here? The reality is yes. I am afraid. For now, we're just gonna hope you don't catch me screaming in here. Look at this, guys. Nice little earthworm. Now, I believe this might be the majority of the potatoes that we're expecting to find. I keep finding small little particles of trash, so I'll be removing it as I go. Do you think there's any more?
No.
Ooh, what was that? Another worm. All right, well, give me a few. I'm gonna be digging in here to see if I can find anything else, and we'll show you the the final yield in a few. All right, now that we got it here to the grass, we're just gonna give it a little rinse. The great thing I like about this basket is the water can actually go down. Now, if you're planning on storing these, you would have to keep them in shade at least for a couple of days, as the outer skin is still a little bit soft. As you can see here, even just digging these out, we were actually able to pry some of the skin. Now, one thing that's pretty amazing for two potatoes, we were actually able to yield a couple of these. I haven't taken the measure of weighing them out, but I'm pretty happy with the overall success. In the future, I do plan on advocating a no-dig method, so I think we're going to try a different technique so we don't disrupt the soil. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.